KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital's KD-HDFix22 is a connectivity repair solution for your HDCP 2.2 installations requiring EDID negotiation, HDCP authentication, and TMDS signal reclocking. If you ever have problems with HDMI digital video installations, pick up the Fix22 or any of the other Fixer products with the aptly named model number from KeyDigital to repair that. And one additional feature that has been super helpful for installers worldwide is audio de-embedding. The HDMI comes in with video and audio, and it's going to go through repaired with video and audio, also giving you analog and digital audio connections externally so you can feed that into your audio system. For more information on Fix22, you just head right over to KeyDigital.com.